Welcome to Titan's Maxum Elite Gun Maintenance video series. Here, you'll learn how to change the Maxum Elite gun needle seal. You'll want to perform this procedure if you notice material leaking past the needle by the trigger. To begin this procedure, start by rotating the tabs at the top of the trigger. Now push the latch release at the top and hold it. Next, rotate the gun handle counterclockwise to separate it from the gun head assembly. Using a 10mm wrench or a pair of pliers, loosen the packing seal nut and then remove the gun needle from the back of the head assembly. Now remove the packing seal nut. Using an angled pick, hook into and pull the seal out from the back side. Make sure all of the seal, including any pieces that may have pulled apart during removal, are cleaned out. Now you're ready to install your new packing seal. Use a small amount of lube all around the outside of the edge of the seal and insert it into the back of the gun. Reinstall the packing nut. Stop when the nut is just contacting the seal. Now lube the needle and insert it into the gun from the back until it stops in the nozzle. Next, slide the needle through the packing nut and seal 5 times to seat the seal. Over-tightening the seal will cause the needle to stick, so pay close attention to this next step. Lightly tighten your packing nut by hand. Now, with the gun handle assembly upside down, place it onto the gun head assembly and rotate clockwise until the top retainer latches back into place. Lastly, move the gun trigger down and back into spraying position. If you experience any leaks from the needle while spraying, use a wrench to tighten the packing nut 1/4 turn at a time and retest, watching for leaks. Continue as needed until the needle is sealed. This will prevent over-tightening the seal. Thank you for watching this maintenance video for the Titan Maxum Elite gun. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.